In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a passkey in PayPal. If you want a quicker and more secure way to sign into your PayPal account, setting up a passkey is a great option. A passkey can help you log in using your device's built-in security like your fingerprint, face recognition, or screen lock, instead of relying only on a traditional password. It's simple to set up, and in this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to find the option and what to do next. To begin, make sure you're already signed into your PayPal account. Once you're on your account summary page, look toward the top area of the screen and click the gear icon. This will open your account settings where you can manage important options related to your profile, privacy, and account protection. After that, go to the security section. This is where PayPal keeps the settings related to login methods, verification, and other tools designed to help protect your account. If you're not sure where to make changes for sign-in options, this is the right place to be. Once you're in the security area, find the passkey option and click Manage next to it. This will take you to the page where you can view or configure your passkey settings. If this is your first time setting it up, you'll be able to add a new one from here. Now click Add Passkey. At this point, PayPal will begin the setup process. Depending on the device and browser you're using, you may see prompts connected to your phone, computer, or built-in authentication method. This is normal, and it's part of confirming that the passkey is being created securely on a device you trust. Next, click Next to continue. From here, just follow the confirmation prompts on your screen to complete the setup. You may be asked to verify using your fingerprint, face scan, or device PIN. Once that confirmation is complete, your passkey should be ready to use. As a quick tip, it's best to set up a passkey on a personal device that only you use regularly. That helps keep your account secure and makes future sign-ins more convenient. Also, if your device supports syncing passkeys across your ecosystem, you may be able to use the same passkey experience on other trusted devices as well. And that's it. You've successfully added a passkey in PayPal, making your login process both easier and more secure.